not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. Now, from today onwards, the PDF links are provided directly without following any further steps. If anybody needs the PDF link, just download it mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Which country is hosting the Asian Cup football tournament starting from Jan 5th, 2019? India, United Arab Emirates, China or Thailand? The answer is B. United Arab Emirates is hosting the Asian Cup football tournament. The Asian Cup football tournament will be played in the 4 cities of the United Arab Emirates from Jan 5th, 2019 to Feb 1st, 2019. Now, India to face Thailand in its first match on Sunday. One name you need to remember from Indian football team is the Sunil Chhetri, the captain of the Indian team. He is the highest Indian scorer in international football with almost 65 goals. Who is the childhood coach of Sachin Tendulkar who passed away on Jan 2nd, 2019? Ramesh Achrekar, Ramakant Achrekar, Ram Achrekar or Raj Achrekar? The answer is B. Ramakant Achrekar is the childhood coach of the Sachin Tendulkar. Now he is the man who mentored Sachin Tendulkar, passed away yesterday. He received Padma Shri Award in the year 2010. Now besides Sachin Tendulkar, he also coached Vinod Kamli, Praveen Amre, Sameer Dige, Balwinder Singh Sandhu. Which state registered highest number of deaths in coal mine from 2015 to 2017? Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Meghalaya. The answer is B. Jharkhand. Now, the state of Jharkhand registered highest number of deaths in coal mine. The data was provided by Labour and Employment Ministry on December 31st, 2018. Jharkhand recorded almost 69 deaths in just 3 years, and Rajasthan recorded the most number of accidental deaths in metal mines. Recently, we have seen 15 coal miners were trapped in a rat mine in the state of Meghalaya on December 13th, 2018. Currently, the rescue operations are still going on. Who is the longest serving leader of opposition in Rajyasabha? Manmohan Singh, Ghulam Nabi Azad, Shyam Nathan Mishra, Lal Bahadur Shastri? The answer is A. Manmohan Singh is the longest serving leader of opposition in Rajyasabha. Recently, 2019 Rajyasabha calendar was launched by its chairman and vice president Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Now, in this calendar, the history of the Rajyasabha was mentioned periodically. Shyam Nandan Mishra was first to occupy as leader of opposition in Rajyasabha. The current leader of the house is Arun Jaitley, and current leader of opposition in Rajyasabha, we have discussed already, is B. Ghulam Nabi Azad. You need to know all these points, very important from exam point of view. The merger of which of the following 3 banks will come into effect from April 1st, 2019? Bank of Baroda, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank, Bank of Baroda, SBI or Oriental Bank, Indian Bank or Vijaya Bank, Andhra Bank or Punjab National Bank? The answer is A. Bank of Baroda, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank. The merger of these 3 banks will come into effect from April 1st, 2019. The Union Cabinet approved amalgamation of these 3 banks. The merged entity would be known as Bank of Baroda. The new logo of the merged entity to reflect the identity of all the 3 banks. The merged entity would be the second largest commercial bank in the country after State Bank of India. 106th Indian Science Congress started in which of the following place? Jalandhar, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad or Pune? The answer is A. Jalandhar. 106th Indian Science Congress started in Jalandhar of Punjab. Very important topic, previously asked many times in many exams. So do concentrate on this topic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 106th Indian Science Congress in Punjab. The theme for 2019 is Future India, Science and Technology. Now, this event will take place from 3rd Jan to 7th Jan 2019 from Lovely Professional University of Punjab. 6 Nobel laureates and 30,000 scientists across India to attend this Indian Science Congress. Union Minister Hansraj Ahir has released in Rajyasabha the details of Aadhaar cards issued till November 30th, 2018. Which state has the least coverage? Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland or West Bengal? The answer is A. Assam. Now, Assam has the least coverage of issuing the Aadhaar cards. According to the data provided by the Union Minister in Rajyasabha, India's population is 121 crore and 122.90 crore Aadhaar cards have been issued across the country. 6.71 crore issued to children below the age of 5 years. Now, this Aadhaar card is named as Blue Aadhaar card. Very important, previously asked in State Public Service Commission. So remember, Blue Aadhaar card is issued to the children below the age of 5 years. All the states have at least 75% coverage of issuing Aadhaar cards, but only these 3 states have the least coverage percentage. So remember these 3 states, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland. New Aadhaar bill has been introduced in Lok Sabha. Now, this bill provides the legal backing of voluntary use of Aadhaar cards. Question for the day: which country topped in the Climate Change Performance Index 2019? Morocco, Sweden, Lithuania or Saudi Arabia? Mention your answers in the comment section. Now, tomorrow I'll explain this question. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following actor, screenwriter, comedian, director had passed away at the age of 81? The answer is B. Kader Khan. He was born in Kabul of Afghanistan and appeared in over 300 films. His last rites were completed in Canada. The 4th Test series between India and Australia will be played in which of the following places? The answer is D. Sydney, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section. Rohit Tripathi, Shamsher Saini, Hari Lokesh, Bishal Roy, Satya Bahadur. Now, thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. If you once look at the stats of India and Australia Test series in Sydney, India played 11 test matches in Sydney Cricket Ground, in which Australia won 5 matches and India won only once, that too in the year 1978. So if India wins this test, it creates a history. Let's hope that India will win this test and clinch the Border Gavaskar trophy. The quote for the day is: discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. So try to be disciplined to accomplish your goals. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.